Class 2, Types of Paragraph and Common Questions. Well, let's explain the types of paragraphs in English. Depending on the kind of writing you're doing, you may need to use different types of paragraphs. Here's a brief explanation of the common paragraph types most writing deals with. Expository, common in nonfiction and all types of essays. Expository paragraphs revolve around explaining and discussing a single point or idea. Persuasive, just like expository paragraphs, persuasive paragraphs focus on discussing a single point, however, they support opinions instead of facts. Narrative, when telling a story, a narrative paragraph explains an action or event. Each new sentence furthers or expands upon the action by providing new information. Descriptive, also common in storytelling, descriptive paragraphs focus on describing a single topic, such as a person or an environment. Each new sentence adds a new detail about that topic. The type of paragraph used usually depends on the type of writing. For example, if you're writing a research paper, it would be difficult to justify a narrative paragraph. Now, let's answer the most common questions in paragraph. Paragraph structure isn't just for the benefit of readers, it also helps authors organize their thoughts and communicate clearly. Below we explain the different steps of how to write a paragraph, from the paragraph introduction all the way to the conclusion. How to plan a paragraph. Before you begin writing a paragraph, look at how the paragraph fits into the writing as a whole. As mentioned above, different types of writing use different types of paragraphs, so make sure the paragraph type you're planning matches the context. Ideally, you'll already have an outline for whatever you're writing, which will tell you what the paragraph is about and what to include. If not, your first step is to decide on the paragraph topic and which facts to include as support and development. Keep in mind what comes before and after the paragraph so you can plan the right topic for the flow of your writing. It's jarring for the reader when the author jumps wildly from one topic to the next, so try to keep all related paragraphs together and in a logical sequence. If that's not possible, plan your topic sentence as a segue, perhaps using a transition word. It also helps to sketch out the parts of your paragraph, topic sentence, development and support, and conclusion. The more you prepare these parts now, the easier it will be to put them into words later. How to start a paragraph. Unless you're doing narrative writing, your paragraph introduction should always be the topic sentence. The trick is to avoid over-explaining, say only what's necessary. The goal of the topic sentence is to inform the reader what the paragraph is about. Everything extra should be saved for the following sentences. How to transition within a paragraph. It's not enough to just throw all your support sentences into a paragraph and hope for the best. For the convenience of your reader, it's best to connect the sentences in a way that lets the reader move from one point to the next without getting confused. While some paragraph sentences will run together on their own, sometimes you need transition sentences to assist the flow. Transition sentences make use of transition words like however, therefore, or similarly, or sometimes directly reference the preceding sentence. How or when to end a paragraph? When you've said everything you need to say about a topic, it's time to end the paragraph. If the paragraph looks like it's too long after you've said everything, consider breaking it up into separate topics and paragraphs for the sake of the reader. The best way to end a paragraph is to sum up the topic with all the new information from the support sentences. In these instances, it's best to conclude with the piece of information that has the most profound effect. So, in this way we conclude our grammar course. You're free to continue watching all the videos from Unit 1 to Unit 5. Thank you to take your time to enroll to the grammar course. Bye.